Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee, and in this video I will be using the Doux Mousse to achieve a flexi rod set on my type 4 natural hair. So if you're interested in seeing how those curls will look, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so these are my freshly washed and conditioned curls. I will pin the videos leading up to this video in the iCards up above, but I will be starting off in the back. I want to do like a kind of free parting just because I don't want to have any parts in my hair, probably except for the middle section. So I will most likely start off with this section with the hope of having enough flexi rods for my whole head of hair. So we will see. So this is the first section that I'm going to be doing. Just going to add some water just because I don't have a leave-in in my hair. Never really got the hang of doing flexi rods properly. I would have attempted about 2 flexi rod sets in all of my YouTube content. So this is going to be the 3rd video. I'm going to take a big flexi rod that I have just because I don't really want to use the small ones just yet. Then I'm just gonna take my time to wrap my hair around the flexi rod. Make sure everything is in place. It's always the end. Y'all are seeing me struggle on camera. So this is the first one. Will they turn out well? We will see. I will continue, then I'll come back with the wet results. Alrighty, so I am done after an eternity and a half. But here are the wet results installed. I will just show you the side to side view. So hopefully with this mousse, these will be able to dry within a day, but I will be back as soon as these are all dry so that we can see how the Doux Mousse stuff works on a flexi rod set. So I will see you then. Alright y'all, so it's the next day, and what I did before I slept was dry the majority of my hair with my hair dryer on medium heat, just making sure that everywhere got some heat. I let the rest air dry overnight, and then I went in with high heat just now, just for a little bit, just to make sure that everything was dry, because I would hate if after all of this my hair is not dry. So I will take down this one on camera. Was it hard to sleep in it? Yes, it was. So it feels dry so far. And this is what the curl is looking like. I love the type of curl that I'm getting. So let's continue and we will see. I think my biggest concern is the ones in the back, because I used bigger flexi rods for those, so I'm not quite sure if those will dry. So I did focus the heat back there, so let's hope that they dry. These are what the curls are looking like so far, nice and springy. Let us see, and I'll be back when everything is undone. So these are the results, and they feel like a perm set. I really like the spirals that I have. So what I'm gonna do now is just lightly separate my hair. The Doux definitely does have a cast, so I don't want to break that too much. So that is one, and I'm just going to continue. My hair is just naturally separating in some parts, so just like how this part naturally separated, I'm just going to look for parts that naturally separate, and we will go from there. I'm actually really intrigued to see these results. I think I'm gonna love these. I really do. So I just pulled this one down, and this one just eased itself out. So that's what I'm going to do, just to look for the parts that easily separate themselves. And if there's nothing else, I will move on to the next section. This is what it's looking like so far. Alrighty, so here are the separated results. Safe to say that using the Mousse Def on a flexi rod set was indeed a success. My hair has bounce. I can see that it has a little bit of shine. It definitely has hold, so I can foresee it lasting minimum 3 days. I also noticed that my hair is moisturized, so let's see how long my hair remains that way. Keep an eye out for the pinned comment, but yes, I will definitely rate this an 8 or a 9 out of 10. I really love these results, so I definitely recommend the Doux Mousse Def. If you're trying to do a flexi rod set with a product that has hold, definitely check out the Doux Mousse Def. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, if you liked this video, leave a like and subscribe for more natural hair content, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.